How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect Slack to N8N. So I have my blank workspace right here. And the first thing that I want to do is to simply click on my first step right here, which is to add our trigger. And then I'll select the on app event right here. And of course, you just want to type Slack. Now that we have our trigger, you just want to click on the create new credentials. Basically, this is how we will connect our Slack to N8N right here. Now, if you don't know what you're doing, pretty much, you just want to click on the Open Docs option. And then basically from here, you then want to click on the Slack API apps, which will then take you to this page. Now, if this is your first time on the Slack API page, you just have to follow this step, which is to create a new application from scratch, enter an app name, and basically so on and so forth. Right after that, just click on your applications, and then let's select the OAuth and permissions. Scroll down and you will be able to see your scopes right here. Now you just have to choose or refer to the scope with the recommended scope. So basically it's going to be this one. And right after you have added your scopes, you can just go through the OAuth token section and install the workspace. You must be a Slack workspace admin to complete this action. Click on allow, and then you can copy that bot user OAuth token and then enter it as the access token in our N8N right here. This is basically the way on how will the N8N access our Slack right here. So from there, just also enter your secret signature. It's also going to be on this instruction right here. And right after, you should be good to go. You can edit out your workspace the way you want to. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.